May I ask you, when was the last time you stopped for a moment and truly, truly acknowledged just how exceptional you are? Have you done that recently? If not, may I suggest you'll do so? Because, I know that you want more. I know that it doesn't matter how much success you already achieved. You want a whole new level of business success and impact and everything that comes with it. And other people will tell you, but hold on, you're doing so brilliantly already. You're inspiration to many. They're congratulating you. And you still want more. And you know what? I understand. Because that more, that next level, it's living your purpose. It's not just about making millions. It's about being in your zone of genius and love and giving yourself fully and living fully. So it's everything. So I admire your tenacity, your vision, your commitment, and you should admire that too. But here is the thing, and you need to hear this. Same qualities, same things that brought you where you are today, they will become a limitation if you want to go to the next level. Because, I don't know how about you, but perhaps you asked yourself in the past, yes, I want to bring my business to the next level, but how much more can I actually take? Because when you're scaling your impact, we're not just scaling numbers, sales revenues, automations, teams, clients. We're not scaling just that. We're scaling how we're feeling from day to day. We're making that much bigger. We're scaling how stressed we are or how peaceful we are. We're scaling how much time we have or don't have. You just get a lot more of what you currently have. So if you want to scale your success and business further, but in a way that doesn't take away anything from you, but gives you more life, that helps you thrive, well, you gotta do two things. First, acknowledge yourself fully for who you are today. That's so important. And if you need to do it every day, do it blinking every day. Love yourself. Be proud of yourself. Honor yourself. You're not doing enough of that. And then secondly, you've got to shift an entire modus operandi, a place from which you operate from, a place from which you are used to creating your success. You see, because in that achievement of yours, how you got here and where you want to go, you probably agree with me that there is a level of chasing that success. In other words, no matter where you are, it's not enough yet. You've got to achieve that next goal. You've got to create that next level of impact. You've got to have that higher level of business. And you're so focused on it. And that place from which you operate from, that modus operandi, is a sense of who you know yourself to be, your self-identity, your energy, from which everything stems from your ideas, the next strategic steps, from the way you relate to other people, to clients, from the way you go about implementing your strategic ideas, from the way you allow yourself support, from the way you deliver or over-deliver, from the way you feel that need or peace when you go about achieving that next goal. Everything comes from that place. So that is what you want to shift. Scale, if you like, if you want to bring your extraordinary impact to a whole new level. And how do you do that? How do you shift that identity of yours, that energy of yours, to you, to a woman who simply attracts and effortlessly creates that next level of impact and wealth and love and freedom and self-expression, who lives it, who is being that day in, day out? Well, you're not going to do it any other way than by methodological, systematic, energetic work, where you attend to every aspect of yourself, alchemize what needs to be alchemized, and turn those energies on energetic patterns that are holding you where you are, even though it's good, but holding you where you are, that you turn it into a fuel of that next way of being. So that is how you want to look at when you think of scaling your impact and income and everything that comes with it, through you and your energy. Set that goal. Work on that over the next 12 months and see where you're then. I will tell you, I know this from working with myself and thousands of highly driven, ambitious, purpose-driven women from around the world. You will not only experience the ease and flow with growing your business so much more than ever before, but you will say, my life has completely changed because I changed. And that's worth something, right?